Welcome back to Beck. Today we're going to try to figure out why the race car quit running. I'm going to basically check to see if I can even hear a fuel pump here. So, I'm going to turn this key on and should be able to hear it back here. Here we go. Okay, I hear it. Comes on when you cycle the key. No fuel pressure. Didn't see any leaks underneath. So alright. This will tell us if we got fuel pressure. Ready? Nope. There's a fuel pump. Electrical stuff looks connected. Well, let's try that for fun. Take two. That didn't fix anything. Alright, let's test some fuses and stuff. First of all, make sure test light works. That works. Alright. Okay. Well, there's that. Found one of my tools in the race car, which means it's made it through at least one race. Let's try something simple. All the wires are together. Take three. Well, he took a shot in the side of the car and that made it quit running. I can hear the fuel pump coming on. There's nothing coming out the fuel line. It's connected at the fuel pump. So I'm wondering if something inside the tank in the actual fuel pump assembly hasn't come apart and not allowing it to pick up fuel. Which to me makes sense, but whatever. Alright, so new plan. I'm going to take this trailer down to my dad's, which is just down the road here. It is close to dinner time, and if I try to order something to be brought out here, they're going to show up thinking they're about to be murdered. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure the fuel pump, something come apart in it. So I need to take the fuel pump out of the tank and check it over and see what the issue is. Or if it is, like it's coming on, but if it would be a bad fuel pump, we'd have to change it anyway. So, yeah. Yeah, just delaying what I'm going to have to do. So, I'm going to hook this trailer up and take it down to my dad's. I can order food. And when it shows up, and I can wash my hands too, because there's no water here. So, yeah. Yay! Found a big C-clamp. Oh yeah. Golden showers everywhere. Not sure how much fuel's in there, but Pretty sure it was full. Well, whatever. I don't think that's supposed to separate. But this would explain why. Alright, so I didn't do a good job closing out that video. Basically, you saw the issue with the fuel pump coming apart. Probably going to get another one. I don't necessarily trust putting it back together like that. So, yeah, that's where we're at. When I turned the pump on, you could hear the fuel pump, but the sound never changed, like when the fuel pump pressurizes, starts pushing fluid. So that's why I had guessed it had come apart. So yeah, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching.